convert your picture into 3D cartoon. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new application which is very viral and people are changing their pictures into cartoons, and that are really cool. So if you want to change your picture to this, or like this, you need to watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to go to your Play Store or App Store on iOS devices and search VOILA AI Artist. So this is a new application which is, you can see, that changed the photo to cartoon face art. So guys, you need to download this application, and once you're done with the download, as you can see, I already downloaded, so I will tap on open. So guys, once you tap on open, as you can see, there are many options. The first one is changing your picture into 3D cartoons. Then there is the next option, 2D cartoon, and there is like caricatures. So you can use all these tools to change your picture into. So I will choose the 3D cartoon as the tutorial is on that. So I will just tap on the arrow, as you can see, and once you tap on the arrow, here, as you can see, you can actually access to your camera as well, or if you have already picture in your gallery, it will ask you for permission and you need to allow the permission and you can access to your gallery. So suppose you select any of your picture, and then as you can see, it's processing image with standard speed, because if you want to buy the upgrade to pro version, then it will not take this much long, but it can also work. So guys, this application is actually supported ads, so there will be an ads and you need to watch it. If you don't want the ads, you can just upgrade it to the pro version. So here, as you can see guys, the picture is already changed into a cartoon, and there are some options at the bottom, as you can see. So if I click on the royalty 3D, and then there is the funny 3D, and then there is a cartoon 3D, and there is a baby 3D as well, so you will look like a baby. It's funny and it's very creative, as you can see. So once you're done, select the option that you want, then you need to tap on the arrow at the top right corner, as you can see. So once you tap on that one, here, as you can see, you can share that picture on Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, or any, you can send it through email as well, or you can just tap on the save option that you want to save it to your gallery. So just tap on the save option and the photo will be saved to your gallery. There are more options as well. If you tap on that one, as you can see, there are many options, many other applications that you already have on your phone, so you can use that to send the picture as well. So guys, another important thing is that if you tap on the 3D cartoon option here, as you can see, there is the camera option at the bottom left corner, but at the right bottom corner, you will see celebrities. So once you tap on celebrities, and here you can see the popular searches, people are searching for those celebrities. So guys, you can choose from this one as well. There are many celebrities, and if you cannot find it in the list, you can even search it here as well. So guys, this is all it takes to convert your picture into cartoon. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. We need your support. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.